the best thing going, breaking niggas' plans. Niggas, they fear what they don't understand. I'm the queen of this shit, hip-hop needs me. Like CMR, need Weezy. You can't stop me, I'm ahead of my time. And like liquor, motherfucker, I get better with time. Smoke a blunt, listen to Snoop Dogg and Jada Kill. When I'm done, roll it up and repeat. When I'm done, I'm addicted to them grapes out the bay. And if I want some good green, nigga, then I head to LA. It's nothing, hit the gas, then I'm gone. Disappear in the smoke, little nigga, no joke. I'm addicted to straps, how you feel about that? Really, I don't give a fuck what you think about that. I'm an asshole, yeah, I heard it before. And a nigga took notice when I stepped in the door. I'm addicted to money, addicted to head. You heard what I said, I'm addicted to rap, addicted to weed, addicted to straps. I'm addicted to whips, addicted to drink and some good ass dick. I'm addicted to G's, addicted to banging. You know what I'm saying? Niggas try to keep up, I don't know why they try. Guess it's they pride to try to push a bitch on the side, but not me. Bitch, I was raised by niggas. Number one rule is not to trust no nigga. I'm addicted to chicks, yes, I'm a go-getter. It's RFP on the bitch, nigga, real shit. You can talk all you want to, but real niggas out here don't hear you. And I'ma tell you what your ass should've seen. You's a punk nigga and you live in a dream. Nigga, step your life up just a little bit while I maintain with my hands on my grip. I'm addicted to drink, Patron, Grey Goose, Tennessee for show, Malibu and Coke. Even like champagne on occasions. I'm a gangster but still a lady. I'm two-faced, baby. I'm addicted to money, addicted to head. You heard what I said, I'm addicted to rap, addicted to weed, addicted to straps. I'm addicted to whips, addicted to drink and some good ass dick. I'm addicted to G's, addicted to banging. You know what I'm saying? Who got some gangster shit? I got you. So put your sign up, let them know how you do. Yeah, the thug model's here, let's make things clear. Keep a 9 on the hip or something else, cause little bullshit that could lead to something else. You get it? Addicted to them bad boys, they know how. When we in the bedroom, we put it down. Got love for the gangsters, hustlers, thugs, so good. Got my strap, it's all good. Addicted to whip with something nice on the side. Prop my leg up, getting head when I jog. I'm a freak. Pop my collar, take notice. When you see a player, remember, stay focused. Play girl slim the shit, no joking. I wish Big G-Lo can see me now, cause he will be happy and he would tell me I'm addicted to money, addicted to head. You heard what I said, I'm addicted to rap, addicted to weed, addicted to straps. I'm addicted to whips, addicted to drink and some good ass dick. I'm addicted to G's, addicted to banging. You know what I'm saying? I'm addicted.